Just plain old standalone smoke alarm. It's part of my new Raspberry Pi project, where if the alarm goes off, I get sent a text message. And then if it stops, I get another text message saying everything's clear. And I've got a program that runs on a Raspberry Pi. I'm remoted into my Raspberry Pi from my Apple iPad. You can see the program to the right here, part of it. And you can see on the left here, all these frequencies it's detecting. So the frequency of the smoke alarm, I worked out, it's 3090 hertz. So if this program detects that for about 4 or 5 seconds continuously, it knows the smoke alarm's going off and it'll send me a text. And then if it goes by for 10 seconds or so and it's quiet, then I'll get an all clear message. You can see I've got the message. Fire alarm. So it went off. And a nice picture of the Simpsons house on fire. And then the all clear once it stops. And what's controlling it on the other side of the door, I already had the Raspberry Pi that was working my automated garage door with Alexa. So all I did is I've got a microphone plugged in a USB port on the Pi, and then the Pi and the program that I wrote does all the work. And that's it.